everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Hello Spring, and I am like so excited about it. Now this collaboration is being hosted by the Rustic Willow and House to Home. And they also have a guest host, and her name is Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video, guys. Comment below because we would love to hear from you. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be making a spring Easter centerpiece, and I am so excited about it. Can't wait for you to see the end result. So always remember that in all collaborations, including this one, we always want to practice YouTube etiquette. Quite a bit of painting to do, and then we need to let this dry, and then we're going to come back and embellish and put everything together. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and do this, and I'll pop in and out, guys. Now always remember that when you click the like button and full watch the video and share the video, this helps us content creators to grow. And then comment below because we would love to hear from you. you can see, I painted all different types of pastel colors for the beautiful Easter and spring. And I decided to go ahead and use some buffalo check on the bottom of this board, which we're going to use and create a centerpiece. And I'm like really excited about this, guys. I think it came out great. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now we have to do the last minute embellishments before we head on over to the reveal. look at this. It came out gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Take a moment to thank the host, the Rustic Willow and House to Home, and also the guest host Shannon's Crafty DIYs for hosting this collaboration. I had such a great time. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.